Hi, I'm Thom. I just got done riding the Blizzard Rustler 9. This was a ski that I was super excited about this year. It's an extension of the Rustler series, which I'm a huge fan of already. But this brings a little bit more of a firm snow and packed snow versatility to the mix. At 9,400 foot, this thing's super easy to get up on edge. Thanks in part to the DRT construction, real firm edge hold all the way through the carve, but a little looser in the tip and tail, so you get a little bit of that freestyle playability. Which really comes in handy when you take it off trail. The thing's super maneuverable, really easy to flick around. Skidding and smearing turns and bumps, crud, powder, super easy. So if you're spending most of your time on firm snow, but you want a ski that's not gonna sacrifice that off-trail performance, this is it.